with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Most of the area under partly to mostly sunny skies and warmer than normal conditions. We'll take a look at some of the views here in Narragansett. You can see quite a bit of blue sky there, and winds today going to pick up a bit this afternoon, coming in out of the south, so keeping our coast a little cooler than inland spots. This is a view of Echo Lake, and just a beautiful morning so far, and now stretching into the afternoon. Down along the southeastern Massachusetts coastline over Buzzards Bay, New Bedford, we've had more clouds around, and even out of those clouds, a few sprinkles and light showers. This is continuing to press towards the east and northeast, and it's been fizzling as it does, but a couple of raindrops possible over the Cape Cod Canal here in the afternoon. Threat tracker, though, is low for today and Tuesday. Moving into Tuesday night and Wednesday, that's when we get our first potential for a round of heavy rainfall, the sort of rain that could lead to localized street and pore drainage floodings. On top of that, winds will be picking up and could see some gusts over 40 miles per hour. We have to watch coastal flooding for mainly eastern Massachusetts coastline, those east-facing beaches, not so much the Rhode Island coast, but it is something that we'll be keeping an eye on starting Tuesday night and potentially lasting into weekend. Could see a prolonged period of northeasterly winds. Right now, you can see the breaks in the clouds still over southeastern New England, a little batch of clouds moving through. Front to our west, a cold front going to interact with a lot of tropical moisture coming in from two areas, the Gulf of Mexico and the western Atlantic, and it's going to give us that heavy rainfall. Then we've got our eye on tropical depression number 11. I told you it could become tropical storm Joaquin later today. Here's where our computer models track this system, and you can see it moving up towards southern New England potentially. Now the question is whether it'll come in as its own separate system or just become part of the approaching cold front and get sort of wrapped up in that. So those are the questions that we have to answer here in the coming days. What we feel confident about is that we'll get moisture from it and enhance our rainfall amount. 74 degrees right now in Seekonk. We have temperatures in the middle 70s in Tiverton and 77 at Oakland Beach. So this is warmer than normal. Smithfield's reporting 78 degrees right now. Here's the front here with our cold front to our west, high pressure sitting to the east. And as that front marches closer to us, we'll keep still the warm and humid conditions out ahead of the front, and any showers will be fairly isolated. And that's not just the case for today, but overnight tonight and even tomorrow. The bulk of the wet weather looks to our north and west. As we move towards tomorrow night, that's when the steadier showers will start to press in. So this is the morning commute time on Wednesday with widespread rain, heavy at times into at least the early and mid-afternoon. Those are what those yellow colors indicate. Futurecast for this afternoon, warm and muggy, isolated shower. Tonight we'll have to watch for fog. Won't be as cool, only falling to the middle 60s, and then tomorrow's high near 77 degrees. In the 7-day Futurecast, 2 warm days today and tomorrow. Then we start to cool down, and significantly so. Wednesday's high near 71. Could see more than 2 inches of rain. Some of our computer models have as much as 4 inches of rain in that area. Thursday's high only near 60 with some lingering showers. And then it's late in the week and into the start of the weekend where we'd be looking at potentially the track of what could become Tropical Storm Joaquin later today. So that could bring another round of rainfall for late Friday into Saturday. So from a very